Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For you today, I have a front porch clean and decorate with me. I'm not going to do anything overboard. It's just going to be like a little refresh. I'm going to get everything nice and clean and put out just a few pieces of 4th of July decor. I thought you guys might enjoy seeing this, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing what I have, just keep on watching. So the first thing I wanted to do was go ahead and get everything off of the porch. That way I could start sweeping and scrubbing it. Yes, that is dog hair that you see blowing across the steps. It's not an uncommon thing around my house. Usually I will brush Bodie out back, but since I have gotten those little baby gates and I can put right there at the front, he'll just sit on the porch with me and we can chill out. And I found that he really likes to be out there like I do, and then I just take advantage of it and I will brush him out there. But once I've gotten everything off of the porch, like I said, I'll go ahead and sweep. And then what I like to do is get like a bowl or a bucket full of really hot water, and I'll use just a little bit of Dawn dish soap and a splash of bleach. And then I'll just take my broom and scrub it all down.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time.
So while I already had everything out here, I went ahead and washed down all of the banisters. We actually have birds that will come every year and try to build nests on our porch, especially over the little door light. Is that what it's called? The porch light that's by the door. You'll see it in just a second. They love to build nests right there on top of the light. And unfortunately, when we see them start to do that, we kind of have to tear them down. And I'll tell you why. So when the birds get up there and then they make a nest and then they have little bird babies, every time you walk in and out the front door, they will attack you because I guess they think you're going to hurt them or get their babies. And I hate doing it, but we have to, like, we can't have that right there by the front door. We used to actually hang ferns on each corner of the porch, and they would nest up in there, and then every time we would go to water them, they would come out and attack us then too. So we've had to kind of take these little precautions so that the birds don't come and nest on our porch, and I absolutely hate it, like I said, but they attack us, so we have to. So you can see right there up on the top, they will really try to build a nest, and they make it so dirty right there because they'll use mud and anything else that they need. But I know that was a lot of information that has nothing to do with a front porch clean, but I just felt like I needed to give you that explanation. So anyway, I've got everything cleaned and washed and sprayed down, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe down and wash the bench. I have it in the front yard, that way the sun can get to it and kind of give me a hand in drying it. And I also have been looking for some new furniture for the front porch. I've started to spend a lot of time out here, like I said, and I love that bench. Ruben actually made that. He made that, and he made our dining room table. If you can tell, it all kind of has the same theme, and it's beautiful, and he's extremely talented. I'm not taking that away, but it is without a doubt one of the most uncomfortable things to sit on in life. So I have been looking for some new stuff, but with it being like the dead of summer already, it's expensive. So unless I can find something at a really good price, I think I'm going to wait until maybe fall and catch something really on sale. That way I can have it for next year and I don't have to pay an ungodly amount for it. But after I got all of that washed off, I then went ahead and started decorating. Okay guys, so this is how everything turned out. Actually, when I filmed this, I thought I had potting soil at home, but I didn't. So that's why those are still in the regular pots that they came in. But as we speak, they have already been planted, so don't worry, they don't look that bad now. But I really like how everything turned out. Like I said, I just wanted to get everything cleaned and kind of refreshed and get my little bit of 4th of July stuff out there. If you guys didn't see my haul, I will have that in the description box. Make sure you go and watch that. I also will be doing a clean and decorate with me inside, and that will be my next video coming up. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you have your notification bells on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
You got me feeling